Hey everyone, and take a look at the newest addition to our kitchen, the KitchenAid food processor with dicing kit. So I've already had a KitchenAid for years and I found out that they have attachments as well, and I was so excited to get some. So let's check it out and open and see all that it can do. All right, you guys, I brought in my KitchenAid and take a look at this. Once you unscrew this all the way in the top, you're going to find out that there's actually a place for a pin. This is where the food processor pin is going to go into. So we're going to set that up. This is the actual food processor, and of course, it can dice, it can shred, it can even julienne if you want to, and this is the full kit. As you can see, there's so many different slicing alternatives in there, so we're going to set it up and get some vegetables out here to slice and dice them. All right, I'm going to choose from all of the different tools that I have here. There's a sliding, a shredding, a julienne, and a dicing disc. So I'm going to choose the adjustable sliding disc right here in the middle, and as you can see, it has the little corners right there, and those go downward. So I'm going to place them in here. Perfect, I got it in, and here is the lid. I'm going to slide this on there as well. I already got it all set up and ready to go. I just want to mention one last thing, that this is a slider to change how thick or thin it's going to be cut. So I have set it to the thinnest setting right now, and of course we also have the pusher to help push out any vegetable or fruit you're trying to cut. All right, you guys, now it's time to make some thin and some thick cucumber slices. I absolutely adore cucumber. We're going to be using the KitchenAid dicing kit to do so. So I'm going to remove this here on the top, and this is to the thickest setting, as you can see right here. So I'm going to turn it on, put the zucchini inside, and then see how thick the slices come out to be. All right, you guys, take a look at these thick slices of cucumber. They look just incredibly perfect for a salad, but let's say you want to make them thinner, which is totally okay. Let's make them thinner by using the thinnest setting on the dicing kit. So I'm going to put this back underneath and change this to the thinnest setting possible and put our other slice of cucumber inside. Since they were thinner slices, I cranked up the speed to get it out as fast as possible, and it took literally seconds to get these perfectly thin pieces of cucumber. For reference, check out the thinner with the thicker side by side. I really recommend you guys go check out the dicing kit. They are incredible. Whether you're making potatoes or you just want to cut up some veggies, maybe some fruits, it's going to make it so much easier, and cleanup is also a breeze. Again, I also like how they have everything for you in this little kit, so you can keep it nice and together in one corner of your kitchen, and makes for the perfect gift, or just to buy it yourself, because having a KitchenAid is much more than just a stand mixer.